Hey guys, it's Steven with Cool Balloon Twisting, and in this video we're going to be making a Minecraft creeper. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, you're going to need two balloons, a dark green and a lime green. Okay? We're going to start by making about a 4 or 5 finger bubble right there. And you're going to attach this one to right there. Okay, we're just going to kind of leave it there for now. And we're going to bring this one over and twist it into this part. Alright, so now you're left with this one. You're going to bring this dark green over here. Twist it right in there. And now you're going to bring it right on back. Bring it back. Twist it right there. So a 4 or 5 finger bubble. You're going to twist it into those nozzles. Okay, you're going to twist around that nozzle. Pull that through. Wrap it around again. And just lock it in there. Alright. So you're left with this little thing. Alright. So now we need to get these two to become one. Okay? So we're going to bring it down so that the dark is in the back and the lime green is up front. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to show the lime green towards you, and we're going to just kind of stretch these and pull them down to the middle. Alright. Just kind of pull them down so that they're down here, like so. Oh, we need them down here. So that they should be between the dark green and the lime green. Okay? So now you're going to just pull these so they attach and just twist them. Okay? So right there, you can see, get them as close as they can inside and twist them. Alright, just like that. So now they've become one. Alright? So now we're going to do just a little spiral. So just going to go around, bring around again. One more time. Right there, we're going to twist it. Okay, we're going to twist them both together. Alright, and then we're going to make 2 petals out of each color. Alright. Make them a good size, about a 4 finger bubble. There's one. Squeeze that, and then we're going to make this one. There. Alright, now with the dark green, do the stretch. And do one. Stretch, squeeze. Alright, and then we're going to make another bubble. Flower petal. Just like that. Now we're going to get rid of the green, but don't let it deflate all the way. We want just a small little bubble that we're going to leave on the bottom. Okay? So you go ahead and tie that if you need to. Alright, so we'll come back to it later. Okay? Now you can go ahead and get rid of the lime green. We're done with that one. Wrap it around. Alright. We're going to arrange these so that the lime green are in the front and the dark greens are in the back, just like the face. Okay? might have trouble kind of setting. So that's why we have that bubble on the bottom. So we're going to turn it into a pinch twist. Go ahead and turn that into a pinch twist. Alright. Now it should help you kind of sit them. Alright. So, if you need to, you can go ahead and put another one. You could have put two, but one is enough. Okay, so this is what you should look like right now. So now all you need is the artwork. So we're going to take our black marker and we're going to, I'm going to come closer for this. We're going to right here draw a little square like so and fill that in. Do it again on the other side. Like that. Now for this one, the mouth, you're going to do a little small one. Okay, like that. Then you're going to do a bigger one. Like that. And then we're going to go down. So we're going to go out again and down. Meet those together. And we're going to fill those in. So. And again on the other side. Go out, down, back up. And fill them in. So there is our creeper. There's our creeper. If you like this design, make sure you click that thumbs up button. If you haven't done it already, click that subscribe button right there and the bell down below so you get notified when I put up a new video. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!